Do you know what happens if you pour honey over onions? Chances are your grandparents knew very well. They might have even made this remedy as it was common knowledge 70 years ago. The honey will begin to ferment and extract the onion's anti-inflammatory substances.
There may actually be some validity to this one. Honey is well known for its soothing properties, especially for sore throats and cough. Just don't use it in babies. Botulism. And the onions have sulfur-containing compounds such as allicin, which have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. This could potentially loosen the mucus and soothe respiratory symptoms. However, if you have serious or prolonged symptoms, this doesn't replace a doctor's care, so make sure to get it checked.